Welcome to the second video in the communication series about National Engineering Month Ontario 2013. This video is about messaging and how we will use it to change public perception of engineering. Engineering is a misunderstood profession. The problem is that a lack of understanding can lead to the development of a major disconnect between society's needs and engineering and technological solutions. A root cause that we can address with engineering outreach is that outreach has generally delivered unfavorable messaging unintentionally. This has caused a message which studies have shown to be the greatest deterrent for youth to enter engineering, to be the most prevalent image in society about engineering. This message is that engineering is about math and science. However, it is about much more than that. Our solution is to encourage the delivery of messages that reinforce public understanding of engineering and to adopt an iterative approach so that way engineering outreach can improve over time. Several engineering campaigns such as Changing the Conversation, Engineer Your Life, and Discover Engineering have tested and found messages that encourage youth to enter the profession and to broaden public understanding of the profession itself. These campaigns influence the development of the messages for National Engineering Month Ontario 2013 campaign. The messages this year for the campaign are: engineering solutions to a diverse set of 21st century challenges require diversity of thinkers. There is a place for you in engineering and technology. Engineering and technology shapes the world around us, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Engineering and technology applies creativity and imagination to turn ideas into reality. And finally, engineering and technology is essential to the safety, health, happiness, comfort, and efficiency for our friends, family, and distant neighbors. Locally and globally, people working for people, engineers and technologists make a world of difference. If these messages sound familiar, it's because they sound like global engineering. So how can we use messaging in our outreach events and activities to change public perception of engineering? We need to plan our events considering messaging. We need to stop using ineffective messages, and we need to verify that the correct message was delivered and iterate our approach to better our events. Similar to traditional outreach, planning should consider the necessary inputs in order to create the outputs. However, in the future state, the message about engineering and technology should be carefully analyzed in the planning stages and then delivered. Next, it is important that we stop using ineffective messages and be intentional about using messages that enhance public understanding of the profession. And finally, to verify that the correct message was delivered, we must first plan our events by determining what message we intend on delivering. Then once the event is done, we must reflect on what message we believe we delivered. Then we will survey participants to see what message was received about engineering and technology. And if these three messages are the same, then it has been verified that outreach event is improving public perception of engineering, so carry on. Else, then events can be altered in order to deliver the correct message the following time. This process will repeat itself, and over time, engineering outreach can improve. During National Engineering Month, we can lead a concerted effort in changing public perception of engineering. With all of our organizations working together, we can deliver intelligent outreach events and activities in March 2013 and beyond National Engineering Month as well. The bottom line is that we need to be unified in order to create change. So what can you do next? Read the National Engineering Month Ontario messaging guidelines. Then contact the coordinator, Diana Menzies, at NEM Ontario at EWB.ca to set up a call for more information about chapter support and to find out more about the timeline for the 2013 campaign. National Engineering Month is an opportunity to contribute to your community and encourage the professional development of individuals in your chapter. For that and more, it is time for action, and it is time for transformative change.